TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN, Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 3 p.m. Eastern Time, final 60 minutes of trading, and we got the market clawing back almost all the losses. You got an S&P right now down just 0.3%. We're negative by 23 points, and folks, you are a solid 136 points off of the lows. How about that? That's a 2% acceleration from the lows, still in the red, but barely. S&P's down by just 24 points, and you see that we actually closed the entire gap at one point earlier in the session, and we're trading right near that level right now. NASDAQ 100, you got NVIDIA trading higher today. You got the NASDAQ 100 down by 10 points. Less than 0.1% in the red. And how about 660 points to the upside from the lows? Simple math, when you hit 24,000 on the dot overnight, 24,664 right now. Now, it's the Nasdaq green. It had been in the green briefly. Dow down by 335 points, or 0.7%. Doesn't quite fill the gap that we had from last night, but we get back to where we were at 6 p.m. when it opened, and we jump over the Russell. How about the Russell? From lows to high, you're talking about almost 100 points. That's 4% from lows to highs. Folks, the Russell approaching a 5% decline last night. We're almost even. You're down by 0.6%, down by 15 points, and we are 96 points off of the lows in the Russell. Can you overstate the volatility in some of these markets? Crude oil, part of the reason the market's calming a bit. You got the G7 pledging to act if needed. That's the headline out there. They vow to tap oil reserves if needed. President Trump is going to speak at a GOP event at 4:30 in Florida and a news briefing at 5:30. Get ready for that one. But nonetheless, you got Saudi Arabia shutting down several of their oil fields. And this morning doing the program, it was that NATO was shooting missiles out of the sky over Turkey in terms of the escalation. But things have calmed since then. We were pushing 100 this morning. We're now just positive by $4.48. Crude hits almost $120 Sunday night, and we've backed off a bit. We jump over to yields. You got the 10-year right now. We were pushing 4.2. this morning, folks. We're pushing 4.2. We're not there right now. You got the 10-year backing off. We're pushing almost 4.15 right now. 4.13, actually. Just that quick. You jump over the dollar, 99.16. Gold market down $20 at 51.38. Silver up $2 at 86.41. We're coming back for the Tom O'Brien Show, folks. Be right back.
Sharpening your